Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we are going to take up one very interesting question from system of equations. Our equations are x plus y minus z equal to 6 and x square plus y square minus z square equal to 6. And we are going to find out all integer solutions. So let's get started by writing this is equation 1 and this we will call equation number 2. Now I will add 2xy to both sides of equation number 2. So I can write equation 2, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus z square equal to 6 plus 2 times xy. Now from first three terms we can write this is x plus y whole square. Then we have minus z square. RHS is 6 plus 2 times xy. Now we know the formula of difference of two squares. We can apply in our LHS. A square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So we will get x plus y plus z times x plus y minus z equal to 6 plus 2 times xy. Now x plus y minus z is 6. So here we can write 6. Our equation will be 6 times x plus y plus z equal to 6 plus 2xy. Now equation is divisible by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. So we will cancel 6. It will be 3 here. I will write 3 times x plus y plus z equal to 6 over 2 is 3. 2 over 2 is 1. So only xy we can write. Now from equation number 1, x plus y minus z equal to 6. From this equation, if I will write the value of z, then this will be x plus y minus 6. This z we will apply here. So I can write 3 times x plus y plus x plus y minus 6 equal to 3 plus xy. Or I can write 3 times 2x y plus y 2y minus 6 equal to 3 plus xy. Let's write our equation here. 3 times 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 3 plus x times y. Let's expand. I will write here 6x plus 6y minus 18. This will be equal to 3 plus xy. Now take all the terms to RHS. LHS will be 0 equal to xy. Then I will write minus 6x. Then minus 6y. Then 3 plus 18, 21. Now I can split 21. I will write equation xy minus 6x minus 6y. 21 we can write 36 minus 15 equal to 0. Now x is common from here and we can take minus 6 common from here. So in bracket we'll get y minus 6 and minus 6 is common in the bracket, we'll get again y minus 6. And if I will write minus 15 to RHS, then it will be plus 15. Now y minus 6 is common. I will write y minus 6 times x minus 6 equal to 15. Or I can write x minus 6 times y minus 6 equal to 15. Now I will find factors of 15 as we are finding integer solutions. So I will write x minus 6 times y minus 6 equal to 15. So first factor we can write 1 times 15 is plus 15. Then 3 times 5 is again 15. Then after I can write 5 times 3 and 15 times 1. So it is switching of both the values only. If I will target negative integers, then I can write minus 1, minus 15, and then I can write minus 3, minus 5. Equations are symmetrical in x and y, so we will switch our answers with respect to x and y at last. Now we have to calculate x and y. So let me complete or demonstrate this chart: x minus 6, y minus 6, then we will calculate x, then y, and then z. So I can write here 115, 3, 5, minus 1, minus 15, and minus 3, minus 5. So if we have to calculate x from this column, then I have to add 6 to our column x minus 6. So let us add 6. 1 plus 6, I will get 7. 3 plus 6, 9. Minus 1 plus 6, 5. Minus 3 plus 6, 3. Now the turn of y column, I will add 6 to this column as we have y minus 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. 5 plus 6, 11. Minus 15 plus 6, minus 9. Minus 5 plus 6, 1. Now the point is how to calculate z. So we have to consider our equation 1 once again. So I will write x plus y minus z equal to 6, or z will be equal to x plus y minus 6. So we have to add these two columns and then we have to subtract 6. So if I will find out z values, 7 plus 21, 28, 28 minus 6, 22. 9 plus 11 is 20, 20 minus 6, 14. 5 minus 9, so minus 4. Minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So here we have triplet values. If I will write here, so I will write x, y, and z. Then this value we can write 7, 21, 22. Second triplet was 9, 11, 14. Third triplet was 5, negative 9, negative 10. And fourth triplet was 3, 1, and negative 2. Now you can see our equations are symmetrical in x and y. So we can write the other 4 solutions after swapping these two x and y values. So if I will write our final answer x, y, z, then this will become 7, 21, 22. Swapping of x and y, we will get our 21, 7, and 22. Then second set was 9, 11, 14. Now we will swap x and y, 11, 9, and 14. Third set was 5, negative 9, negative 10. After swapping x and y, minus 9, 5, negative 10. And last set was 3, 1, negative 2. After swapping of x and y values, we will get 1, 3, negative 2. Here we have 8 solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.